everything like this when I was younger? And was everything like this when I had longer? It's like I can't see the tunnel nor the light. And if I'm fully honest, I miss what I was like. I thought I was beautiful, I thought I was kind, but now I'm so horrible, lost my fucking mind. It's like I don't know in what direction the wind blows, and I'm so lost at sea. I don't recognize me. I don't recognize me. And was everything like this? My heart racing and racing, because I sure don't remember it to be so rapid and fast and changing and changing. And I can't believe how the time has flown, but I'm still waiting. Maybe I should go home. How am I not famous? I thought I was beautiful, I thought I was cool, but now I'm so horrible, such a fucking fool. It's like I don't know in what direction the wind blows, as I'm looking who to be. I don't recognize me. I don't recognize me. Eating vegan cheesesteak on a Sunday afternoon, learning at school we're all gonna die so soon, wearing jeans that were ugly at first, but I guess they're back in style, scrolling on your phone to forget about real life.